So tell me, how often do you get to hear that B2B buying is all about rational, about logic, and no emotions? Sounds convincing, right? But that's not the reality. In fact, I know of a couple of the CIOs, the Chief Information Officers, who are the biggest technology decision makers in any organization, who are the ones who are responsible to buy those complex products like enterprise softwares or security systems, and those who are assumed to be the most logical and the rational decision makers in an organization. They have shown brand loyalty towards one specific vendor. That is where the emotions play. So yes, I do agree that B2B involves logic, B2B involves product specifications, B2B involves price comparisons. But remember, end of the day, the buyer is a human being first, right? So that trust, that credibility is as equally important as the product specs matter. In fact, in one of the research by Google and Gartner, it shows very surprising fact that B2B brands actually show much stronger emotional connect with their customer than the B2B2C consumers. In fact, 7 out of the 9 B2B brands which were surveyed, they showed that their emotional connect was with 50% of their customers, vis-a-vis to that of in the range of 10 to 40% for the B2C consumers. So why do you think, what's the reason behind that? Because it's simple, because B2B involves high stakes. It's not only the budgets get impacted, but there is reputation on stake. The reputation of the B2B customers for their own clients matter the most. So, in fact, I can share my personal experience in my tenure with a lot of pharma clients. I have seen that, those pharma clients have chosen many specific brands, not based on some lowest prices, but based on that special hand-holding or the expert in advices or expert insights, that responsiveness which built the trust. That is what really mattered. So it's not what I mean. It's not just that the price which matter. It's the trust which matter. It's the confidence which matters. It's the assurance which matter. It's the credibility which matters. And what do you think these elements are? Are these those rational check boxes, or do these actually depict the real deep emotional drivers? So are you the one who still feels that B2B is about cold logic? Then it's high time to break that myth. B2B is not the cold logic. I would say it's the logic but wrapped in the human emotion. So next time, ask this question to yourself, that are you dealing with the human minds or are you dealing with the human hearts? And if you're dealing with the both, that is where the deal transforms. So see you next time till we break another myth in Demythify.